Hi, I'm Susan Yoder with American Pride Realty. Let me introduce you to this amazing 86-acre riverfront ranch. This 86-acre hidden river ranch is a rare gem. With a gated entrance, a tree-lined winding driveway through the wooded part of the land, the beautiful 4,300 square foot home is hidden from the rest of the world, complete with a sparkling pool and an outdoor kitchen and living area with a massive fireplace, that perfect spot for football season. Guests will love the charming guest house, while the cowboys and the cowgirls will appreciate the horse barn and cattle working pens. Explore the spacious shop, barn, and enjoy the convenience of an enclosed boat and fishing dock. After the chores are done, of course. The lush pastures are fenced and cross-fenced, providing ample space for livestock and hay pasture, complete with 4 ponds that enhance the natural beauty of this incredible ranch. All just 5 minutes away from Grand Lake. So join us for a tour of this picturesque estate where luxury meets nature. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing properties.